Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Full Moon Fireworks. I'm Wolfman Snaps, and me and the Pyro Puffs, we wanted to share something from the archives today. This is Lava Lamp from Showtime Fireworks. It's one of our favorite all-time effects. It's one of our favorite all-time fountains. Heck, it's just one of our favorite all-time fireworks, and we just love it over here. And in this video, I'm showcasing three at once. I don't really remember when I took it, but it was definitely a few years back. And the kids said, because I won't shut up about nitrocellulose effects in the comment section of some of the videos y'all are dropping, that it was time for me to share. So here you go. Tell me what you think of the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you feel up to it and have got nothing better to do tonight, I'll be back here later tonight with a special novelty video for some Friday night fun. And remember, Pyros, always be a light in the dark.